Unveiling the secret to nurturing a harmonious family. First, love your kids, shower them with your affection, share quality moments, and dive into their world of interests. Next, it's all about respect. Teach your children to value their parents, model respectful behavior, promote open dialogues, and appreciate the wisdom of elders. Life's lessons are crucial. Instill in your children your family's values and principles. Guide them in decision-making, cultivate a robust work ethic, and emphasize responsibility and accountability. Boundary setting is key. Clear rules and consistent enforcement help children understand expectations and nurture respect for authority. Lastly, don't forget empathy and kindness. Encourage your children to be compassionate and considerate, fostering empathy and kindness within family, friends, and the wider community. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. Shape a better tomorrow today. Unveiling the secret to nurturing a